Hello everybody, this is Vasvi from Atom Tuition. We are going to learn the triple angle formula here, how to derive at these formula. So the first one is sine 3x, and the sine 3x is equal to 3 sine x cos square x minus sine cube x. So let us see how to get this, okay? How do we derive at this? I would take the left hand side. So the left hand side is sine 3x. I would represent the sine 3x, sine of 3x as sine of 2x plus x, okay? The 3x I can put it as 2x plus x. So this is of the form sine a plus b, right? So what is the formula for sine a plus b? Sine of a plus b equals sine a cos b, right? Sine a, we have already learned this, sine a cos b plus cos a sine b, okay? So I am going to apply the same here. Sine 2x plus x would be sine 2x cos x plus cos 2x sine x, right? Cos the first angle times the sine the second angle. Okay. So we got this. This again I am going to change the sine 2x. We know what is sine 2x, right? Sine 2x is 2 sine x cos x. So I just convert it as 2 sine x. I am making it into single angle formula, okay? So that sine 2x is equal to this. I am writing it as 2 sine x cos x. And you already have a cos x here, right? That let me write cos x plus, here the cos 2x, you can use any one formula. We know three formula for that, right? Cos 2x is cos square x minus sine square x, or it is 1 minus 2 sine square x, or it can be 2 cos square x minus 1. You can use any one of these here and it will give you the same result. So I am using the first formula, which is cos square x minus sine square x, okay? You have an option here. You can use any formula here, any one of the three formula, okay? Times this sine x, I'm writing it here, okay? So that is sine x. Here let me put them together, the like terms together. So it is 2 sine x cos square x, right? Cos x times cos x is cos square x, plus when you multiply this inside, it becomes sin x cos square x. Sin x times cos square x is sin x cos square x. Then sin x times minus sin square x will be minus sin cubed x, right? Here you have 2 sin x cos square x and 1 sin x cos square x. You can add them up, right? So you would get 3 sin x cos square x, okay? And minus this sin cube x, sin cubed x, which is equal to your RHS. Hence you have proved that sine of 3x is equal to 3 sin x cos square x minus sin cubed x, okay? So this is the sine 3x formula. Now let us do cos 3x formula. So as per the formula, the cos of 3x is equal to 4 cos cubed x minus 3 cos x, okay? Let us see how to derive at this formula. So again I start with my left hand side, okay? So in the LHS, on the left hand side I have cos of 3x, which I can write as before, like cos 2x, because we know the formula for double angle, right? So I am using it as 2x plus x, okay? So what is cos 2x plus x? I would write here cos a plus b equals, remember the formula, I guess? It is equal to cos a cos b this is plus, here the for cos it is minus, okay? Sine A sine B, okay? So I'm going to apply this here. So what happens? This could be cos 2x plus x could be written as cos 2x. The first angle is 2x here, and cos second angle is x, okay? Minus sine 2x times sine second angle, that is x. Did you get this? Now this cos 2x I am going to expand in terms of cos only, because here I have to prove everything in terms of cos. So I am not using the first or the second formula, I am just using the third formula for cos 2x, which is 2 cos square x. Now I got it in as single angle minus 1, right? So this cos 2x I could write it this way, and this cos x I will write it outside, okay? So this is cos x times cos x minus, again you have sine 2x. You have only one formula for the sine 2x, so let me apply that. So that's 2 sine x cos x, right? Cos x times, this is for sine 2x, okay? And then you have this sine x outside, so I write that also here. So that is going to be sine x. Got it? Now let us distribute. So when we distribute, it is going to be like 2 cos cube x, right? Cos square x times cos x is 2 cos cube x minus cos x, okay? And here this is minus 2 sine square x cos x, right? Okay. You have 2 cos cube x minus cos x minus 2 sine squared x cos x. Now I'm going to change the sine squared x also in terms of cos x, okay? Because we have on our right side it is all cos there. You don't find any sine there. So I'm just changing the sine squared x in terms of cos squared x. So what happens? This let us write as it is. It is 2 cos cubed x minus cos x, okay? And here it is minus 2 times, what is your sine square x? In terms of cos x, it is 1 minus cos square x, right? So I am applying that 1 minus cos square x times cos x. Again you do the distributive property law here. So what happens? Here this is no change, it is going to be cos cubed x minus cos x. When you multiply the 2 and the cos x with the terms inside, you will have minus 2 cos x plus 2 cos cubed x, right? Because you have 2 times cos square x, so cos cubed x. Put the like terms together, so you get 2 cos cube x here and 2 cos cube x here, so together they make 4 cos cube x, okay? And here it is minus cos x and minus 2 cos x, that would be minus 3 cos x, right? And this is what you had to prove, and this is equal to your RHS, hence it is proved, okay? So you understand that cos of 3x is equal to 4 cos cube x minus 3 cos x. Got it? You have one more, that is the tan 3x formula. Tan of 3x is equal to, as per the formula, it is 3 tan x minus tan cubed x whole divided by 1 minus 3 tan square x. Okay, let us see how to derive at this. As earlier, we are going to split this 3x. I'm going to start with my LHS from my left hand side, and my tan of 3x, I can write it as tan 2x plus x, right? So we know what is tan 2x. Let me write the double angle formula, you know, right? So tan 2x is equal to 2 tan x. We have already derived at this. 2 tan x divided by 1 minus tan square x. Okay? So I'm going to apply that here. And the tan a plus b formula also we know. Let me put that here. Tan a plus b, sorry, a plus b formula is tan a plus tan b over 1 minus tan a times tan b. Okay? So I'm going to apply these formula here. First I would use the tan a plus tan b formula in this. This is tan 2x plus x. I take my 2x as a and x as b. So this will be written as tan 2x plus tan x divided by, this will be divided by 1 minus tan 2x times tan x. Okay? Did you get that? Okay. Now I'm going to use the tan 2x formula here because I have tan 2x here, right? So my tan 2x I'm going to replace with the formula 2 tan x. Tan 2x is 2 tan x over 1 minus tan square x, plus you have the tan x there, right? Tan x, this is the numerator, and in the denominator too I'm going to replace the tan 2x with this. So that would be 1 minus, here I have for tan 2x it is 2 tan x over 1 minus tan squared x times tan x. Okay? So what happens to this? Let me take in the numerator, you have the big line over here, and the numerator I would just take a common denominator as 1 minus tan squared x. Okay? And in this is 2 tan x, I write as it is, and it is tan x times 1 minus tan square x. Okay? It is like normal fraction, how you add the normal fraction with unlike denominator. And underneath it is 1 minus, you multiply the numerators here because it's multiplication in between these. So that would be 2 tan square x over 1 minus tan squared x. Okay? Is this clear? Okay, the numerator here would be 2 tan x plus, when you multiply 1 times tan x, it is tan x, and tan x into this would be minus tan cubed x, right? Tan cubed x. Okay? And the denominator for the numerator is 1 minus tan squared x. Likewise, I'm going to make here too, the denominator, I take it as 1, so I'm going to subtract this. So that would be 1 times 1 minus tan squared x. So this is 1 times 1 minus tan squared x minus 2 tan squared x, whole thing divided by, again you have 1 minus tan squared x. The denominator of the numerator and the denominator of the denominator is same. You can just cancel these two. So you are left with 2 tan x plus tan x is 3 tan x. Okay? 3 tan x. Take away tan cubed x divided by, here it is 1 times, when you multiply it is going to be 1, and this is minus tan squared x minus 2 tan squared x, which is minus 3 tan squared x. Okay? So we have here you have got the right hand side. So this is equal to RHS, and you have proved this too. Okay, so we have learned how to derive at the triple angle formula of sine, cos and tan. I would like to do just one problem, one question, practical question which you may get for your examination by using this triple angle formula, how we are going to prove it. Okay, so the question is, prove that cos 6x is equal to 32 cos raised 6x minus 48 cos raised to 4x plus 18 cos square x minus 1. Okay, so the cos 6x I'm going to split again as cos 3 times 2x, so that's 6x. So here this is in the form cos 3x, so I'm going to apply the formula there. Okay, so this implies, just now we learned cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cubed a. So here your a is 2x. Okay, cos cubed 2x minus 3 cos a, right? So that's cos 2x. So the reason here is, I write the reason, because cos 3a is equal to 4 cos cube a minus 3 cos a. Okay, so I have applied this formula here and I got this. In the next step, what I would like to do is, this is 4 cos cubed 2x, right? So I just keep the 4 out, and this cos 2x formula I'm going to apply here. This I can take it as cos 2x the whole cube, right? So 2 cos squared x minus 1 the whole cube. Okay, minus, you have this one here, 3 cos 2x, right? So that is 3. Here you have the 4, that's all. Then you have minus 3 times, here cos 2x, again I'm going to write it as 2 cos squared x minus 1. Okay, next, this is in the form a minus b the whole cube. So what is a minus b the whole cube formula? In algebra you would have seen, you have done that. Algebraic identities it is. So this will be a cubed minus b cubed plus 3a square b. Okay, I'm applying that formula here, minus 3ab squared. Okay, so this formula let us apply here. So let the 4 be out, let's not disturb it. So here I have to write a cubed. A cube is 2 cos square x the whole cubed, so that will be 8 cos raised to 6x, right? Yeah. Then minus b cube. B cube is 1 cube, so I can write it as 1. Plus 3 times a squared. A squared is 2 cos square x the whole square times 1, that's the b, minus 3 2 cos 2x cos square x times 1 squared. Okay, so this I have applied this. For this I have written this, and this, let me continue here, minus, when you multiply this it becomes 6 cos squared x plus 3, right? Yeah, that is minus 3 times minus 1 is plus 3. So here, next what are we going to do? Just put all that together, right? So let the 4 still be outside. So that's 8 cos raised to 6x minus 1. Here this would be plus. Here 2 square is 4. 4 times 3 is 12. 12 cos square x. Okay? Cos square x. I have put the whole thing as 1. Okay? This is here. And this whole thing I am writing it down here. So this would be minus Here it is 6 cos square x, okay? Cos square x, close. And outside you have a 6 cos squared x plus 3. Now let us multiply it with the 4. You get 32 cos raised to 6x minus 8, not 8, 4. 1 times 4 is 4, plus 4 times 12 is 48. 48 cos square x, and 4 times 6 is 24 minus 24 cos square x, okay, minus this 6 cos square x. Now everything, all your causes a single angle form, right? So you needn't go further, you can just put the like terms together. So it is only 132 cos raised to 6x, then plus you have only, oh this is cubed, okay, this is 4, sorry, because here it is square, right? When you square this becomes 4. So this is also 4 here, sorry. Now this would be 48 cos raised to 4x. Now you can put these two together, right? So that is going to be, this is, we didn't notice this, here it is minus and here it is plus. So again this is minus and this is plus. So this is minus 48, right? Okay, this is minus 48 and here it is plus 24 cos square x, and minus this is plus 18 cos square x, okay? Cos squared x, then minus 4 and plus 3 is minus 1, which is equal to your RHS. So this is what we had to prove. So your LHS is equal to your RHS. So try to memorize the formula and also know how these formulas are derived, so that even if you forget, you can just get the formula by working it out roughly quickly on the side. And then you know, now you can see how it is applied in the problems too. Hope this session was useful to you. See you in the next video. Till then, bye.